This dance is called Walking on Air. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improver level line dance. Starting on our right foot, we're going to walk forward, right, left. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross shuffle, right over left, cross side cross. Make a quarter turn right as you step back on that left, into a chassé to the right, but we're going to put a further quarter turn right on to start with. So that quarter turn, close side into that chassé. A set of steps once more then, walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, side, rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn chassé. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight back on the right. Chassé to the left, side close side. And add on a 3-step jazz box. So in other words, we're doing a jazz box, but only the first 3 steps. Cross right over left, step the left back, step the right to the side. So that little set of steps once more then, cross rock off on the left. 7, 8, cross rock, left chassé, cross, back, side. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, side, rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, side. Shuffle forward on the left. Into a full turn over 2 steps. Now if you don't wish to do this full turn, just walk forward, right, left. Otherwise it's half a turn left as you step back on the right, half a turn left as you step forward on the left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the left, cross the right over left, step the left to the side. So that set of steps once more then, shuffling forward on the left. 7, 8, left shuffle, turn, turn, step, pivot, cross, side. So I will demonstrate that full turn whilst we're actually doing the dance and the walk through. I'll actually be doing the non-turning walk-walk option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. Let's add that bit onto the top. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, side, rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, side, left shuffle, full, turn, step, pivot, cross, side. Step back on the right, sweep the left. Now these sweeps in this dance are actually taking 1 count of the music. So you sweep on 2, you step back on 3, you sweep for 4. Into 2 sailor steps. So a right sailor behind side side and a left sailor behind side side. So that little set of steps once more then. Back sweep off on the right. 7, 8, back, sweep, sailor step, sailor step. End the dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, side, rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, side, left shuffle, full, turn, step, pivot, cross, side, back, sweep, sailor step, sailor step. And we start all over again. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So that's your dance and the timing. Hopefully you can see how it all fits together. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, side, rock, cross, shuffle, turn, turn, chassé. Cross, rock, left, chassé, cross, back, side. Left, shuffle, full, turn, step, pivot, cross, side. Back, sweep, sailor, step. Walk, walk, side, rock, cross, shuffle, turn, turn, chassé. Cross, rock, left, chassé, cross, back, side. Left, shuffle, full, turn, step, pivot, cross, side. Back, sweep, sailor, step. Walk, walk, side, rock, cross, shuffle, turn, turn, chassé. Cross, rock, left, chassé, cross, back, side. Left, shuffle, full, turn, step, pivot, cross, side. Back, sweep, sailor, step. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a piece of music. Walk, walk, side, rock, cross, shuffle, turn, chassé, cross, rock, left, chassé, cross, back, side, left, shuffle, full, turn, step, in, cross, side, back, sweep, sailor, step, walk, walk, side, rock, cross, shuffle, turn, chassé, cross, rock, left, chassé, cross, back, side, left, shuffle, full, turn, step, in, cross, side, back, sweep, sailor, step, walk, walk, side, rock, cross, shuffle, turn, chassé, cross, rock, left, chassé, cross, back, side, left, shuffle, full, turn, step, pivot, cross, side, back, sweep, sailor, step, walk, walk, side, rock, cross, shuffle, turn, chassé, cross, rock, chassé, cross, back, side, left, shuffle, full, turn, step, pivot, cross, side, turn, sweep, sailor, walks, cross rock, shuffle, back sweep, walks, cross rock, shuffle, back sweep, walks, cross rock, shuffle, back sweep, walks, shuffle, back sweep.
Such a beautiful sight, the way she moves like an angel. She's got me walking on air. God given to me, just like a symphony. The way she talks like an angel.
Hope you managed that one.